How to make and create modern Instagram story on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top here and click on create a design. Search for Instagram story and click on it until it take you to this page. Now right here you will find many options. Scroll down like this until you find the dark modern Instagram story. Click on see all. Now right here, as you can see, you will find modern Instagram stories templates. Click on one of these and change the text. Very easy and fast. This one looks so professional. After you finish editing those stories, for example this one, add your photo and everything, go to the top here and click on download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.